I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the default notification sound on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Are you tired of hearing the same notification sound over and over again on your iPhone or iPad? It's time for a change. In this video, I'll show you how to personalize your device by changing the default notification sound. This is a great way to customize your iOS experience and make your alerts stand out. Whether you're looking to differentiate your device from others or just want a fresh sound for your notifications, I've got you covered. Now let's walk through the steps to change the default notification sound on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll land on the Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down this screen and then tap Sounds and Haptics. The Sounds and Haptics screen is displayed. Step 3. Navigate to the Ringtone and Alerts section and then tap Default Alerts in this section. You'll land on the Default Alerts screen, where your current sound will have a check mark next to it. Step 4. Tap to preview any alert tones you want to hear. When you find one you like, tap to place a check mark next to that tone. In this example, I'll switch to the tritone sound. Your change will be applied immediately, and you'll hear your newly selected tone going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.